Think you need a big garden to grow delicious, high-yielding cabbage? Think again. With this secret method you can grow fresh, organic cabbage right at home, no garden needed. Stay tuned, because this trick will change the way you grow vegetables forever. The secret? It's all in the container you choose. Instead of planting in the ground, use large, deep containers, at least 12 inches deep, to give your cabbage room to thrive. Drill a few holes at the bottom for drainage, and you're ready to go. For high-yielding cabbage, you need the perfect soil mix. Here's the magic formula. 40% garden soil gives structure, 30% compost, provides rich nutrients, 20% cocoa peat, retains moisture, and 10% perlite, improves drainage. This mix ensures your cabbage gets the nutrients and moisture it needs, without getting waterlogged. Now, let's plant. Space your cabbage at least 10 inches apart to allow the heads to grow big. And remember, cabbage loves sunlight. Place your containers where they get at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. More sun means faster growth and bigger cabbage. Step 4. The secret growth booster. Want super fast growth and massive cabbage heads? Here's my secret fertilizer recipe. Eggshell powder calcium for strong leaves. Banana peel tea potassium for rapid growth. Compost tea, all-around nutrition. Feed your plants every 2 weeks and watch them explode with growth. Step 5. Watering and pest control. Cabbage loves consistent moisture but hates soggy roots. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry. And to keep pests away, a simple spray of neem oil and garlic water works like magic. Step 6. The final harvest. After 70 to 90 days, your cabbage is ready to harvest. Look at these beautiful crunchy heads, grown without a garden. Now, are you ready to try this? Let me know in the comments. What will you grow next? Cabbage, lettuce, or even carrots? Drop a cabbage emoji in the comments if you're excited to try this. Like, share, and subscribe for more secret gardening hacks.